Ben Stout with Ben Stout Construction. Excited to be here at 2775 Suite A, Freedom Town Center. The opportunity that we have is a new franchise to Fayetteville that we're excited about talking about. It's called HotWorx, 24-hour infrared fitness studio. And what you're going to see here is over the next few weeks to months, as we get started on the project, we're going to be taking the space you see in front of us and we're going to be turning into a fitness yoga studio. What they really focus on here is sports recovery, stress reduction, more workout with less time, with 3D training is kind of what they're known for, which is heat, infrared energy, and exercise. So over the next few months, we're going to be taking more videos that are going to show the progress from what we have here today to during the construction phase to what gets us the most excited, which is a project that's completed. And so that last video will be the grand opening of HotWorx 24-hour infrared studio. So stay tuned and we look forward to sharing those videos with you.
Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook to get the latest updates on all our projects. Visit facebook.com/Ben Stout Construction and click on like and follow. Thanks for joining our team.